Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 983 93076 and our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. Then you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Like you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming mathematical examinations. Like this question is from your CUET Data Science, and the question is telling us that let A be a 2 cross 2 matrix with elements a11 a12 and a21 is equals to 1 and our a22 is equals to minus 1. Okay, so then the eigenvalues of the matrix a to the power 19 are, there are four options here, which are 120 1024 and 1 minus 1024, 512 root 2 and minus 512 root 2, 1024 root 2 and minus 1024 root 2, and 4 root 2 and minus 4 root 2. So what can be done here? So now, so the given matrix is 1, 1, 1, minus 1. So we have to find the eigenvectors, the eigenvalues. So now the trace of the given matrix is equals to 0 here, and the date A is, now the date of A will be what? So that is minus 1 plus, minus 1 minus 1. So that is our minus 2. So the given equation will be our lambda square plus 0 into lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. That will be minus. Yeah. So our given thing is lambda square minus 2 is equals to 0. So now finally we will get lambda plus root 2 into that is our lambda minus root 2 equals to 0. So the eigenvalues of the given matrix A is our plus minus root 2. So now we have to find the eigenvalues of the matrix A to the power 19. So what can be done here? So as we know that the eigenvalues of A to the power n are z lambda to the power n. If our lambda is the eigenvalue of A, so how can we prove that? So if we take our lambda is the eigenvalue of A, then this equation satisfies. So after that we can, if we take lambda a square x, then it will be what? That it will be A of ax. So as our ax is equals to lambda x, so we can write A of lambda x, and our lambda is scalar, so we can write that lambda ax, so that will be lambda of lambda into ax. So as our ax is equals to lambda x, so we will have lambda of lambda x, so that will be equals to lambda square x. So similarly, by proceeding this way or by the mathematical induction, we can easily say that our, let me shift this thing. Yeah, we can easily say that our a to the power n x can be lambda to the power n x. Okay, so easily we can say that. So our eigenvalues of the a to the power 19 will be lambda to the power 19, so that will be root 2 to the power 19 comma minus root 2 to the power 19. So that is what? So that is 2 to the power 9 into root 2, and this is our also 2 to the power 9 into minus root 2. So this thing is our 512 root 2, and this is 512 root 2 1. So this is the correct answer of this question. So we can easily say that our correct answer of this question is our option B. Okay, so again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp. Also, rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.